This is for all you beautiful ladies out there. Alright, let's dive deeper into the world of bentonite clay, your skin's natural best friend. Imagine it as a gift from Mother Nature, a magical mix of minerals crafted from volcanic ash. This unique clay isn't your ordinary backyard mud. It's like a secret ingredient for a spa day right in the comfort of your home. First things first, what makes bentonite clay so special, so great, so awesome? It's like a gift from Mother Nature. It's a champ at absorption. Think of it as a sponge for all the unwanted gunk and oil that can make your skin feel tired and worn out. When you apply this clay to your skin, it's like treating yourself to a revitalizing detox. Now let's talk about the role bentonite clay plays for your pores. It's not just about the surface, it's an enthusiastic explorer diving into your pores to give them a thorough cleaning. Isn't that so cool? When your pores are in good shape, your skin can breathe freely, keeping it vibrant and refreshed. But how does bentonite clay handle the signs of aging? Oh, I thought you'd never ask. Here's where its supportive sidekick nature shines, and it's my favorite part. As we gracefully age, our skin might lose some of its natural radiance. Bentonite clay steps in as a loyal companion, helping to tighten things up. When fine lines and wrinkles decide to make an appearance, bentonite clay lends a hand by giving them a subtle nudge. It's like a gentle workout for your skin, reminding it to stay firm and resilient. It's not about turning back time. It's about allowing your skin to age gracefully, maintaining its unique charm. Now let's get to the fun part, shall we? My second favorite part. How do you actually use bentonite clay? Here's a tip to make the most out of this natural wonder. Making a face mask with it is a simple yet effective way to pamper your skin. Start by mixing about 2 tablespoons of bentonite clay with enough water to form a smooth paste. You can also use rose water or apple cider vinegar for added benefits. Apply the mask evenly to your clean face, avoiding the sensitive areas around your eyes. Sit back, relax, and let the clay do its magic for about 15-20 minutes. As it dries, you might feel a tightening sensation. My wife says it feels like it's pulling on your skin, but don't worry. She also told me this is normal. Once the time is up, gently rinse off the mask with warm water. You'll notice how your skin feels refreshed, like it just had a rejuvenating spa treatment. Remember to moisturize afterward to keep your skin hydrated. Using a bentonite clay mask once a week can be a fantastic addition to your skincare routine, helping your skin stay clear, firm, and ready to take on whatever the day brings. So go ahead, treat yourself to a bit of nature's spa day. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and remedies for you and your loved ones.